What is a salon ready wig? That means when you can take it right out of the box and put it on and you're salon ready. Whether you need to be church ready, work ready, dinner ready, date ready, whatever it is, you're going to be able to put this on in seconds. You've got great hair. No more going to the salon. No more getting your hair with, maybe if you had it silver, that you get it touched up, that you get it gloss, that if you have dyed hair, you have to go and get coloring and rooting and layers and highlights and cut. No more. Salon ready wigs is the way to go, so that you always look like you're ready to step out the door and head right to the boardroom, wherever it is in life that life needs to take you. Seconds to go. So salon ready means you're going to take it out of the box, just like I did. I can't go anywhere looking like this. And then shake it out. Shake it out. By the way, this is Crowd Pleaser by Raquel Welch and RL 5660. It's silver. That's Raquel Welch's color, silver. So it means you put it on, flip it back, take your ear tabs, straighten it up, push those in, and then find your part. Sometimes I'll use a wide tooth comb, and then finger comb it. And just like that, you're ready. That's it. You're ready to go. Now, sometimes maybe you have to play with it a little more, spread some water on it, use some flex hold if you want more volume, or you want to tame it down. Or look at this, where you have a hairline like this that you can wear back off your face, or train those to go back more. But just like that, ladies, you are out the door and ready to go. This is one of those where the curls are defined. It's going to stay. So if you wash it, if you get caught in the rain, this is it. People will be looking at you if you're walking in the rain, like I do often here in the Netherlands. Yep, it's where I am right now this time of year. And rain is pouring down quite often, but my hair is going to look just like this when I get home. So just like that, ladies, you're ready. It's your boss lady era. This comes in so many beautiful colors. So if silver's not your color, or you're looking for a great silver that just goes right here to this layer, this is wonderful, because this is, I have an oval, squarish base. So for me, it's nice when it comes down across my forehead, and it's just going to break up the squareness to my face. And just like that. Yes, instant Botox, right? Okay, so let me turn around, put my fingers through it so it's a little bit combed out. Hope that was in frame. This is a great salon ready wig. You want to be out the door, and you just want to have that Raquel Welch classy, upscaled look. This is timeless. And for us ladies that are silver and bold, I think you'll love this one. Check it out.